Hey there, how you doing? Sore fingers yet? Well, welcome back. If you're here, you're a trooper. We've done the D chord, the C add 9 chord, and the G chords. Now in this lesson number 9, we're going to add some strumming to it. And at the same time, you're going to work on the D, C add 9, and G chords while you're doing the strumming. So to start off with, go ahead and either grab a pick, or you can use your fingers. It's really okay. Or even just your thumb for straight down. We're going to make the chords and just do a simple strumming straight down. Then I'll show you how to add a little pizzazz to it. Start with the D chord, right? I put all my fingers down at once. If you need one at a time still, that's great. Just do it. And play the D chord 4 times. Aim for 4 strings, the top 4 strings, and don't worry if you accidentally hit the 5th or 6th. Put your attention right now on getting a good sound on the strings that you're hitting. Oh, that was 5. 4 times. Then move over to the C add 9. Remember, we're aiming for getting those 2 fingers over. Oh, I'm sorry. First, put the pinky down. Now, move those 2 fingers over to the 5th string and the 6th string. 5th string and 4th string. 4 times. Sounding good? Okay, it's okay. Sounds like this. It'll get better. Now to the G chord. We're going to move the 2nd and 1st fingers over again to the 6th and 5th strings. That's the 6th and that's the 5th. You strum all the chords. Oh, cut. So next we're moving to the G chord. Move your 1st and 2nd fingers over to the 6th string and the 5th string. If you can, both at once, it's okay if you still need to do it one at a time. And then strum all the strings. You can make some little adjustments, but again, just spend a few seconds on it. Don't worry about it. Do the best you can. And then you start over. 4 in the D. Four on the C add 9. And then 4 on the G. So you might want to stop just for a minute. This is really helpful. Just make the chords no strumming, just a couple of minutes, and then move from one chord to the other. No sound. And then come back and try it with the strum again. To stop, do it again. And then alternate for 5-10 minutes. Now we're going to add a little bit of groove to that. What I mean by that is we're just going to be steady with our pulse. And you can play along with me. We're going to go very slow, and I'll count it out. I'll start with a count of 4, and then we're going to strum each chord 4 times, just straight down for now. Okay? So make your D chord and get ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, hit it. D chord. 1, 2, 3. Think about that C add 9 for now. Change. I've left a little pause between chords for now. We're going to tighten that up. And that's 4. G. And back to the D. 4 times. Good. How'd you do? Ready to try it again? Same thing. This time, I'm not going to slow down between the chords. It's okay if you don't get it, but I want you to get a feel for what it's like to have to change right on time. Best to start slow and then pick it up. Don't try to go too fast and then pause, because that'll get to be a bad habit. So let's go nice and slow and just try to keep up with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 4 times. To the C. See, I didn't pause there. I didn't slow down. Here comes the G. Now. That was right on the beat. We'll do it again. Back to D. Okay, that's the end. Try with me now again. Here we go. Start now. Ready? D. 1, 4, pinky down, move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think move. It's right on the beat. And then back to D. Hey, how was that? One little trick. Did you notice I put my pinky down before I started changing? I anticipated the change, so I got ready. And putting the pinky down doesn't really hurt the sound. Another trick is, sometimes when you're changing, you can take all your fingers off and put them back down. Even if there's a little gap between the change, it's okay. Nobody will notice it really, if it's a small gap. So now, practice that by itself. Then add the simple strum. We've talked about how to hold the pick and the basic up and down motion. Now I want you to strum both down and up. So this is a good way to first warm up for that. Place your fingers over the guitar neck and just start with a strum down, down, up. Just make the strumming sound. Don't worry about the chord. This is just to get warmed up. So this is 1 beat. And this is 2 beats. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you need to, of course, stop the tape and practice that a little bit. Then do this with me. D chord, I'll count 4. We're going to go down and up on each beat. 4 beats, but it's going to be a strum down and up for each one. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and pinky down, change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and get ready to change the G chord. I paused a little between chords to give you a chance. And back to D. Okay, that was one exercise. We're going to do it one more time, and then I'll let you practice a little on your own. We're going to do it without pausing between chords. So it's a little harder. And again, it's okay if there's a little dead sound when you're changing chords. Not a problem. Start with a D. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D. 1. Pinky down. I've changed right on the C. 3 and 4 and going to G. 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to D now. And 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and watch my pinky. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to D. Okay, good work. Good work for hanging in there with me. So, of course, go ahead and practice this. Be patient. A little each day works best. Come on back. We're going to do the next lesson, which I'll show you a little bit about fingerstyle guitar. And we'll keep it light, but I want you to at least have an introduction to it in case that's something you want to do. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Bye for now.